Natanong si Pops Fernandez sa press conference ng Always Love concert, kung nagkakaroon pa rin sila ng tampuhan ng kanyang ex-husband na si Martin Nievera. Inamin ni Pops na natawa ito sa narinig na katanungan, dahil kamakailan lamang nang magkaroon sila ni Martin ng tampuhan. Ani Pops Fernandez, natawa ako kasi parang recently lang, pero huwag na yun. Hindi naman yun mawawala sa amin, because we are in separate situations. I don't want to pretend na we are 100% okay. We go through certain tampuhans. But what is good about it, is we know how to deal with it. Lahad ni Pop sa media conference ng Always Loved, na naganap nitong Lunes ng gabi, January 8, 2024, sa isang restaurant sa Quezon City. Dagdag na paliwanag ni Pops, sometimes we just. Time always heals wounds, di ba? Yun na nga, because I think we choose to always be okay, na si settle naman siya. We settle everything privately, and we deal through all those misunderstanding privately also. 29 years na ang nakararaan, buhat nang maghiwalay sina Pops at Martin noong 1995. Para sa singer na itinuturing na concert queen ng Pilipinas, dumaan siya sa matinding mind conditioning, para matanggap niya ang kinahinatnan ng pagsasama nila ng kanyang dating asawa. Anya, that is a lot of mind conditioning. I have to be honest, ha? Syempre, that's very painful, so a lot of mind conditioning and acceptance. You have to get to a level na kailangan sobra ka ng strong to accept it. I said it before, it took a lot of years because again, ayokong balikan yung pain, pero it has to be mentioned para alam ng mga tao na hindi ganoon kadali, for those who are probably going through the same thing I went through. Hindi siya madali pero possible, di ba? Because it's totally up to you. Rather than mag-aaway kami, ayoko naman parati kaming mag-aaway, for the sake of our children who are still very young then. Mas maganda na mas okay kami and again, it's not easy. 19 ang edad ni Pops nang magpakasal sila ni Martin sa simbahan noong ika-28 ng Hunyo taong 1986. Natutuwa si Pops dahil kahit matagal na panahon na ang nakalilipas, nakakatanggap pa rin sila ni Martin ng mga pagbati, mula sa kanilang mga matatapat na tagahanga tuwing June 28, ang anibersaryo ng pag-iisang dibdib nila. Sobra akong grateful na maski alam nila na medyo baka hindi na yun mangyari, pagbabalikan nila ni Martin, they're still there at naiintindihan nila yung situation namin. So kami ni Martin, hanggang ngayon, ang batian na lang namin sa June 28, hey happy June 28, because nga, I know that we have fans that still celebrate it, and still a big deal for them. And thank you that they accept us for our situation now, ani Pops. Ang Always Loved ang two-night 45th showbiz anniversary concert ni Pops Fernandez, na itatanghal sa The Theater ng Soler Resort and Casino.